RDBLA.com, Papa. And this, you're gonna receive free.
No. No.
Oh no.
Not free, idiot.
It's not free, idiots. Okay, it's not free, idiots.
Alright, so we are in our buddy Alejandro's car right here, the E63 Wagon. Really cool car. We did another one recently. We slammed that one, put wheels on it. We did like a roof rack. It was really cool. That customer sold the car, so that's gone. But this one, in true Alejandro fashion, we wrapped it. It is actually modeled after a Mercedes F1 car, as you could tell. Completely custom designed, printed, and wrapped. So it looks really cool. That's all we did on it is the wrap. Right now we went out to film it a little bit. We are on La Brea, which near La Brea and our shop has a lot of little hype stores. So we're gonna go to a shoe store and try to see if we could find maybe Moses a shoe. So if we do, I could ruin his shoes that he has on and buy him some new shoes. But we'll go check it out, see if we can find something we like. Yeah, well, don't call this number. We don't know what it is. Also, don't buy the shoe.
Oh, that's bad. We could have a Nike deal.
We decided to go shoe shopping and try to find something maybe for Moses, but I didn't like anything in there, so I'm not going to do that to Moses. But yeah, so check out that Mercedes over there.
Oh my god! Hey, my body is in sunset. Oh my god, I need help. You know why it's fast? Because I can't control it.
Hey, this will smoke his drukken.
Yeah, right.
It's like, yeah, right.
It will. It wouldn't?
All right, we realized one of our clients owns a pretty popular shoe store here in Los Angeles on Melrose, Cool Kicks. So we're gonna go there right now and hopefully find a shoe for Moses.
Came up out the womb of man with everything that you demand. You could say I had a plan way before I had a fan. Some would probably call it luck, I just call it being blessed. You ain't never did the work, but you wanna be the best. Lately I could never stress, never better yet. Might have had a thing for you, she know I'm the better bet. I digress, I let it rest, go and get another check. I could always see my future, I bet they could never guess. Guessing they get it, cause look at me now and then look at yourself in the mirror. I know they doubted my thesis, but they doubted Jesus, and right now I'm making it clear. Clearly these people don't know where they going, and lately I feel like the man with the map. I got this shit out the mud, you could give me the word and I'll probably give it right back.
I got my family in here. Everyone's probably wondering where I get my car fixed from, everything. We got RDB right here, they're on Sunset. They do every celebrity's wraps, the rims, everything you can imagine. So right now we're collabing with them. They're about to get a pair of Yeezys. They're gonna give it to one of their hardest working employees, burn their shoes, and give him a pair of Yeezys.
He wears Skechers right now. We're gonna get him off that and get him into some nice shoes.
We're trying to level him up, basically.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for hooking us up, man.
You
got a badass store.
Oh my god, I appreciate that. What size do you wear?
9.
Do you guys bring like a car? Maybe we got like shots of the car too.
If you want, in front of his car.
This is a 199. That's gonna work better for you guys. Oh, this 10? Yeah, 10. Wanna do this one? Let's do that. Well, God told me he wears Skechers and he loves comfy shoes, but this is a huge level up for him. Going to some pair of all black Yeezys. So, God bless to him. Hopefully this motivates him to work harder in the near future, man.
We're gonna go take it back, surprise Moses. But first, we're gonna make sure we get those shoes that he wears every day off of his feet. We're gonna have to forcefully do it, but we're gonna upgrade him to these Yeezys. One of their 2 stores on Melrose. We do all his cars, his Maseratis right there. We came by to get those shoes. And we're gonna head back to the shop right now and start the whole Moses foot burning process.
Copyright, copyright.
What happened to my Mozart station?
Bro, you changed it by doing launch control. That wasn't fast? No. Wasn't fast? My body's still at Cool Kicks.
I don't know, they're both nice. Yours is nice too though. I like your car too. Your car is nice too. I think. Oh! No, don't! Hey! That's my shoe! Hey, that's my shoe, that's my shoe. Hey! That's my shoe, don't. Hey, stop.
You can't wear that shoe. That's it. It's done. Just let it go.
Just let go of the shoe.
Sorry, man.
I wear that every day to work. That's the shoe I wear every day to work.
There's a customer.
What's happened to you? Some playing game?
Sorry, Moses, but we came to surprise you with a new pair of shoes that you'll wear at work now.
Okay. Easy. Nice.
You feel better now?
Yeah, it was well worth the shoe being burned. Cause I just got a nice pair of shoes. These are like 40 bucks, 35, 40 bucks, and these are like probably a lot more. My shoe's still on fire.
It's getting worse.
No, it's perfect. It's the same way you bought it. That might not be a good idea.
But who didn't like the shoes that bad that you guys want to do this? I definitely rather wear these than that, of course. I can't wear that anyway.
Yeah, put that one in there too.
Do you guys have a lighter?
Apparently not.
Use that.
We're gonna let it. It needs a lighter.
What the f?
$400 work shoes.
Smoke detectors in here. It's gonna go off.
Holy shit! The alcohol blew up.
Nice. Definitely enjoying my new shoes. Definitely much better than ones that are on fire.
Your car is heavier than mine.
Okay, what's my 0 to 60?
It says 3.3.
What?
Bro, this car is heavy.
Heavy. What is your car? E63S?
Yes.
Why do you even have that car? In 0 to 60 test, the Urus smokes both the Tesla Model X and Mercedes AMG GLC 60S.
Yeah, GLC. Yeah, GLC. That's mine is not a GLC. GLC is a SUV, bro. No, you know, $500. Let's race. $500.
Okay. All right,
0 to 60.
Okay, let's do it. All right, guys, behind me we have this AMG GT53. This is not the 63, You guys saw the red 63 we just did, came out incredible. This one, we did minimal things to it. We had very short notice. We only had about 2 days with this car. We powder coated the wheels black. We painted the brakes red. And then we also blacked out the car real fast for him. The front grille was blacked out using wrap. The emblems are all blacked out. The door handles have black on them now, and the back emblems are black as well. This car still needs to be lowered in my opinion. Customer's gonna take it as is. He's probably gonna bring it back to lower it. These cars look really, really good when they're lowered. I would also suggest a wrapped black roof. It does not have the full glass roof, so you see how it has the little black sunroof. Just looks awkward, so I would have probably just blacked that all out as well. So I'm sure this will be back for phase 2, but this is a really cool car. Again, the interior is beautiful. These cars we're all growing to. We're starting to like them a lot. The red one we did had crazy feedback. Check out this little feature on the headlight. There's like a little blue light in there. Looks really cool. That's factory. So Mercedes is doing a really awesome job in creating really different things on their new Mercedes cars. So I hope you guys like it, and on to the next one.